Okay, so we have this hacker in prison right now. People are complaining that he's hacking and stuff because he just didn't kill Aura and he's using Reach. This is his username right here. So I'm gonna go find him to show you proof. All right, so there he is right here. See, he just ate the apple while he was punching at the same time. So he had the kill Aura, but we were close together, so I couldn't get the reach. This was in a closed area. So you just witnessed the kill Aura. You saw him like eating apple while he was still punching me and stuff. But for the reach, I have the you have to have armor to actually like fight me. See, look, he had auto armor. You saw the auto armor. He was running and he put on the armor. So yeah, you saw him. He was running and he used it. See, look at this kill Aura. See, look at this kill Aura. And he got the reach right here. You can see the reach. Yes, right here. See, he has to reach so I can't get to him. He's I need to get my back on the wall so he can come closer. There we go.